On our road trip from Switzerland to the Dolomites, we spent one night at Amrai Suites in Austria. What started as a convenient stop between destinations turned into a really enjoyable stay, complete with a private sauna, steam shower, jacuzzi, and a beautiful spa area. In this video, I'll give you a full tour of our suite, show you the spa facilities, and share what it's like to actually stay here at Amrai Suites. Before we jump back into the video, if you're enjoying the content, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and every subscription genuinely means so much to me. I share travel itineraries, hotel tours, cruise tips, and outdoor adventures from all around the world. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, hit that subscribe button and come along for the journey. After checking in, we took a few minutes to look around the lobby and grab our complimentary welcome drinks. Right away, the hotel felt warm, inviting, and like a place where you could really slow down and relax. After spending a little time in the lobby and settling in, it was finally time to check out our suite and take a look around. For this stay, we booked one of the junior suites. When I was looking at the room options, I noticed that the sauna and steam shower were listed as optional amenities, so I reached out to the hotel ahead of our arrival to request them. Thankfully, they were able to accommodate us. This suite ended up being so much more than just a place to sleep during our road trip from Switzerland to the Dolomites. It featured a spacious bedroom and sitting area, along with a jacuzzi, steam shower, and private sauna that made it easy to relax after a long day of traveling. These were some of the features that made our stay so enjoyable. After getting settled into the room, it was time for dinner. We booked the 3/4 board option, which included both breakfast and dinner during our stay, so we headed down to the restaurant to see what was on the menu. The atmosphere felt cozy and upscale, and it was a nice way to slow down and enjoy the evening before continuing our journey through the Alps. Here's a look at the variety of dishes we had during our meal. The next morning, we stopped by the breakfast buffet before hitting the spa. The selection was honestly impressive. There were fresh pastries, fruits, cheeses, meats, juices, hot breakfast item, and even champagne and mimosas for anyone looking to start the day with a little something extra. I also liked that you could order made-to-order items like omelets in addition to everything ordered at the buffet. There was no shortage of options, and it was a relaxed way to start the day. After breakfast, we headed to the much-needed spa. One of the things that attracted us to Amrai Suites was the spa, and after spending some time here, it's easy to see why it's such a popular part of the property. What surprised me most was the size and variety of the wellness facilities. Rather than just having one pool and one sauna area, this spa is spread across multiple spaces throughout the property, giving guests plenty of opportunities to relax and unwind. During our visit, we found indoor and outdoor pools, multiple saunas and steam rooms, quiet relaxation areas, and plenty of places to simply slow down and enjoy the atmosphere. The design of the spa was also something that stood out to me. Throughout the wellness areas, you'll notice a mix of modern luxury and local alpine influences, creating spaces that feel both unique and relaxing. Whether you prefer spending time in a warm pool, cooling off afterwards, or simply finding a quiet spot to relax, there really seemed to be something for everyone here. Since there are so many different areas to explore, I'll let the footage speak for itself. I hope you enjoy the rest of this tour through the spa facilities. Before we left, we found this handwritten note waiting for us in our room, thanking us for our stay. It was a small gesture, but one that added a personal touch to the experience and made us feel truly welcomed. With that, it was time to continue on our road trip and make way toward the Dolomites. If you found this hotel tour helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and every subscription helps support future travel content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.